In this video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods Pro 2 to your iPhone. It's very simple, and I will show you a way and a second way in case the first one doesn't work. So let's get started. What you have to do is to make sure that your AirPods Pro are charged. Unlock your phone. Okay? And now you just have to bring the case close to your iPhone and open the lid. You'll get a small message here. All you have to do is to press connect and you'll be completely done. They'll be synced forever. What if you don't get this message on your iPhone? That's not a problem. There's a second way this can be done. The second way you can pair both of them if you don't get the message is to open the case of the AirPods Pro, and on the other side here there will be a circle. This is a button actually. You'll have to keep it pressed during just a few seconds until you see here the white light flashing. Then you can release it. Now, let's say we don't get this message. You'll go into the settings. Whoops. Okay, settings. And then into Bluetooth here. Press on it. And then on the bottom of this page where it's other devices, you'll see your AirPods Pro appearing. This is the name I give them to them, so this is why it's like this, but you should see AirPods Pro below. All you have to do is to click on them. It will take just a few seconds and you will get this screen. Now you'll press on connect to iPhone. And it will ask you press and hold the button on the back of the charging case, which is this one. Let me do it. I'm pressing and holding. I just heard a noise. I just keep holding it. And then I release it. And the AirPods Pro are fully connected to my iPhone. I can close the case and start customizing the settings. Here you'll have announce call and notification. This means that every time that somebody is calling you or sending you a text message or a notification from these apps, you're going to receive them directly in your AirPods Pro 2. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like down below, maybe even a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.